Children, today we are going to need to compartmentalize the history into ancient, medieval, and the modern period. How they are divided or how they are categorized: ancient, medieval, and the modern period. The need to compartmentalize the or periodize the history into ancient, medieval, and the modern period is necessary to understand the subject in the chronological order. That means, two periods is necessary to understand the subject in a chronological order. That is, in the systematical order or systematical when the events are happen. We know that the social, political, economical, cultural changes did not occur simultaneously all over the world. Therefore, the process compartmentalization has also been different. For example, Renaissance period began in Europe in 14th century. From 14th century AD, the human beings were capable of making their own decisions. They were modern in contrast to the medieval human beings. However, at the same time, Indian subcontinents was experiencing the medieval period. It is the main reason that changes in the institution, organization, and culture did not take place at the same time. The humanists use the word modern for period starting from 15th century onward in the Western context. How can we determine the change of a period? How can we find that period has changed? We can find out that the period has changed when there is when the changes in the social, different political, economic, cultural together different from the previous ones. Thus we can say the period has changed. So the answer of this question is, when there was a major changes in different social, political, economic, cultural institution altogether different from the previous one, we said that the period has changed. That is why periodization is not same in the different societies and the countries. In the Western countries, the periodization may be under 5th century ancient period, 5th to 14th century medieval period, and 15th century onward modern period. However, historians have questioned the above mentioned periodization. On the other hand, in Indian context, the periodization may be 7th century as an ancient, 8th to 17th century medieval period, and 18th century onward is the modern period. So there is a difference between Indian periodization and the Western periodization, because the changes doesn't take place at the same time. So the changes are different. That is why periodization is different. Thank you.